flowers, so you can use them with the arrangement calculator. You can actually add these as you go, but if you have your flowers list or your sundries lists in a spreadsheet, this is a great way to manage them and get them all up at once, so you're not having to upload them. If you do upload your flowers individually, you're actually creating a spreadsheet in the background which you can use to manage your pricing and things at a later date. So all you would do is you'd export it, change your prices, and then re-upload it. But I'll show you how to do that now. So if you come to configuration, click on flowers, you've got these options here. You can see I'm blank here, I don't have anything. If I click export flowers here, I'm going to open up that spreadsheet. And it's given me, I'm going to have to upload that in Excel, but it's given me these fields, and it is these fields that I need to fill in. So there's the name, which would be your name of your flower, rose, delphinium, for example. Your cost price, that's the price that you pay. Your markup multiplier, so times 3, times 3.5, etc. And whether you want it to show in the printables. The printable I will show you shortly, but you probably do want it to show up in the printables, so you'd put a yes there. I'm going to do a bit of a Blue Peter moment. Here's one I prepared earlier, so let me find my downloads. There we go. If I open this in Excel, you can see there I have put in this list that I wanted to show in printables, what my markup multiplier is, what price I am paying per unit. Although I change these for an example, so I'm just going to change them back. There we go. Yeah, so that's my list of all of my flowers. Now I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to import it. So press the import button, go and get my CSV file that I have just done there, and we're going to upload it. There we go, you can see it's thinking about it now. It asks you to confirm the names at the top, match what is in that, and it's yes there. A bit of details there in case you need it. If you're happy with that, click import. And then over here, this comes up as basically say it's working in the background. So I'm just going to navigate away from there, and I'm going to navigate back in. And we should have all your flowers there. So there we go, all of your flowers are there, the cost price you're paying, the markup price per stem, and whether you want it to show up in the printable. Now, this is where the printable part comes in. If I want to put that information onto a PDF so I can print it out and have it on my workroom wall, I just click Export PDF. I can choose to have the cost prices showing or just the retail prices. I can show the markup multiplier on it if I want to. And I can also enable price rounding. So basically that means if my cost price, when I times it by my multiplier, comes to 1.89, for example, it's going to round up to a more like a £2, or if it's a 2.35, it's going to round it up to 2.50, just to make it easier for calculating. So I'm going to enable price rounding, and I'm going to say enable to the nearest 50p. Then I'm going to export my PDF. Then it creates this for you here. So you've got a really nice list with all of your flower names and what the retail price is calculated to the nearest 50p or whatever you round it up to. Now, once you've created that flower list there, you can use this list now for maintaining your prices, making sure you're charging the right amounts for things. Because now that that list is there, if I hit export flowers, the list that I get here is my list with everything on. So let's say there's some price changes, I could change all these, re-upload the list, and it updates it. So hopefully you'll find that a really, really useful tool, not just for using in arrangement calculators, but for putting on your workroom or for keeping an eye that you're charging the right amounts for your flowers.